Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going crashing problem. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you or teach you. So let's get on it. So first, what you need to do, or what you can do rather, is update the GPU drivers. So updating your GPU driver is crucial for staying away from crashing. So here's how you can do it via your device manager. So first, click onto the Windows icon and then just type device manager in there, and then open the device manager tool from the search results, and then after that just double click onto the displayed adapters section to expand it, and just right click onto the GPU and select update driver. So as shown here in this picture, just click onto the update driver, and then in the update driver wizard window just click onto the search automatically for drivers and just wait for the process to be completed and restart your PC afterwards. So that's it for the first option. Next, what you can do is to lower the graphics quality. So to preserve resources and avoid Roblox crashing problem, you can optimize the in-game graphics settings. So to do that, first launch Roblox and click on the menu icon on the top left corner, and then after that click on to your settings right here, and then change graphic modes to manual right here, and then the graphics quality will now be editable, and click onto the minus icon right here and lower it to the lowest settings. And then next, what you can do, close background apps. So or many players confirm that some background apps crash or cause crashes in Roblox. So the best idea is to close unnecessary background apps while running Roblox. So to do that, just open your task manager tool by pressing the Control Shift Escape simultaneously on your keyboard, and you will see a list of currently running apps in the process tab. So recognize which apps you don't need, so and then right click onto the app that you choose and then select the end task option just right here in this picture, and then after that repeat that process for all of the apps you don't need while playing Roblox. So don't forget that closing Windows processes might result in system crashes and similar issues. So only close the apps you are familiar with. And then next, you can delete the cache files. So every software you use on your PC creates cache files to load more quickly. Roblox is not any different, and sometimes cache files can cause issues with performance and crashes. So first, delete or click onto the Windows, and then just type our Windows icon, and then just type the run and there, and then click on to the up run from their search results, and then just type in percent local app data percent, and then hit on OK, just like right here in the picture. And then after that, just press on the Control A and select all the files in the folder. So just like right here in the bottom picture. And when prompted, whether you are sure that you want to delete files, just click on yes. And then next, what you can do, you can set Roblox as priority. So while setting applications as a priority is not considered a fix for most game, for Roblox it might work. It might work because your system will consider it more important, thus using less resources on low priority apps and giving them to Roblox. This method can also improve the overall performance of the game. So to do that, open the Roblox and then go to the Task Manager, and then go to the Process tab and right click on to the Roblox, and then press on to go to Details and just select the Details tab. So if you use to go to Details, just right click onto the Roblox. If you didn't look for it in the list, just scroll over to Set Priority and then just press on High. And then next, what you can do is run Roblox as administrator. So the solution is similar to the one that sets Roblox as a system priority. However, the difference is that running the game as an administrator ensures that the game has full rights to do anything that it needs to do in order to run smoothly. So to run Roblox administrator, first go to the game installation directory. It is usually located at the downloads section on your files, and then after that, right click onto the exe file of Roblox and go to the properties, and then next go to the compatibility tab, and then just check the run this program as administrator, and just click on apply right here, this button right here, and then okay, and after that just relaunch the game. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.